that saving, right? Because it's not just going to be an easy road. You're basically paving a road. But, you know, I wish it happened sooner, but if I didn't do it, it wouldn't have happened at all. And if you don't start now, it's not going to happen at all for you. So I'm just trying to tell you, like, yes, make money, but make sure you put some away, not for a rainy day. Make sure you put some away to increase your income flow passively. And to do that, you gotta have money. And to do that, you gotta stop spending like crazy and just make sure you put that money away. Good luck. Whoa, good luck. I hope this helps. My name is Dave, and if you got a little side cash, like 200, 500, 600 G's, let's go buy some properties. If you got a couple mil, let's go buy some properties, because I think it'll be a very good place for you to get to a point where you do not have to work for money, and now your money works for you, right? You generate income flow because you were patient and you saved so much, and now life is much easier for you. And if you didn't inherit this, it's pretty cool to build, right? They say 90% of millionaires, I saw something like that, 89% of millionaires supposedly built it from scratch, meaning they didn't inherit the millions of dollars. So I know you can do it.